Hi guys, for today's video, we will talk about complex numbers. What is complex numbers? Complex numbers is we have combine of real numbers and imaginary numbers. So, this A represent a real number. Real number. And this BI represent the imaginary. So if we combine these two, we will call it a complex number. Complex numbers. Okay, so this is complex numbers. So we have an explanation from addition. We have quantity of 2 plus I plus quantity of 3 plus I. Quantity of 3 minus 2I. Now we do this. 2 plus 3 equals 5 and positive i's plus minus negative 2i. We have I. And now we have the answer of 5i. And that's work from addition. And now we have to go with multiplication and division. And now, first, we have the multiplication example. We have a quantity of 2 minus I times quantity of 4 plus 2I. Now, in this scenario, in multiplication, we use FOIL method. First, 2 times 4. We have 8 and outer, we have 2 times 2i. So we have 4i. And now inner, I, negative I times quantity of 4. So we have negative 4i. Then last, we have I times negative I times positive 2i. So we have negative 2i squared. Negative 2i squared. Now we have to rewrite. We have 8 plus 4i minus 4i minus 2i squared. Now, in complex numbers in multiplication, we have to cancel out both terms. So we rewrite again 8 minus 2i squared. Now, in complex numbers, I squared is equals to negative 1. So, we rewrite it and 8 minus 2 of negative 1. So, negative 2 times 1 is positive 2. So, we have to rewrite 8 plus 2. And now, we have 10. So, the answer for this multiplication complex numbers by the multiplication is we have 10. That's what we do in getting multiplication in complex numbers.